In a previous class we studied about exercise 4.1, and now I am going to teach you the sum of the measures of the exterior angles of a polygon. Okay, so in the previous classes and all, you people have studied that the sum of angles of a triangle, sum of angles, interior angles of a triangle, okay, rectangle, all those things. Okay, so for example, sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, that is interior angles. Okay, when it comes to exterior angles, okay, the polygons, we have studied polygons. See, three-sided polygon is triangle, four-sided polygon is quadrilateral, okay, and then five-sided is pentagon, like that. Okay, these are the polygons. Sum of measures of the exterior angles of polygons is always is equals to 360 degree. Okay, that is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 360 degree. Exterior angles, see, this is exterior angle. Inside, this is what? Interior angle. Exterior angle, exterior angle, exterior angle, and this is also exterior angle. So the sum of exterior angles is how much? 360 degree. Since it is pentagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentagon, so the sum of the angles of pentagon is 360 degree. That is, how many angles will be there in pentagon? 5. Like that. 5 sides also we can see in a pentagon. Okay, therefore sum of measures of the external angles of any polygon is 360 degrees. Okay, now based on this concept, let us learn example 1 here. Example 1, find measure of x. So here, see, here it is what type of polygon is this? This is a polygon, is it not? How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Okay, and each exterior angle measures here like this. This is x degree, 90 degree, 50 degree, 110 degree. Now, how to find out this x? Okay, see, we can find out. Just now we studied the sum of angles of polygon is equal to 360 degree. So, using that concept, we can find out the value of x. Okay, so now let us see sum of angles of an exterior angles, that is x plus 90 plus 50 plus 110. Understood, children? X plus 90 plus 50 plus 110 is equal to how much? 360 degree. Now 90x plus 90 plus 50 is 140. 140 plus 110 is nothing but what? 250 degree is equal to 360 degree. Now x is equal to 360 minus 250. 250 is equal to how much? 110 degree. That is one of the, this is the external angle of four-sided polygon is how much? 110 degree. Okay, children. Now let us see example 2 here. Find the number of sides of regular polygon whose exterior angle measures 45 degree. Okay, one of the exterior angle, okay, whose each it is. Okay, children, here if you cannot see properly this one, please refer textbook. Okay, and I have sent notes also. Okay, you can see in the notes the question also I have written there, and even answer also I have given. Okay, please see your classwork as well as your textbook also. You can see the question how it is. If it is not seen properly, please refer classwork or textbook. Okay, children. Now let us see how to solve this one. Solution. See what they have given here. Find the number of sides. We have to find the number of sides. Okay. Number of sides is nothing but what? Number of angles. Yes or no? So how many sides are there in a polygon? Okay. That means how many angles also can say. Okay, regular that is number of sides of regular polygon whose each exterior angle measures 45 degree. Okay, now let us see how to find out number of, just now I told you number of sides is nothing but number of exterior angles, correct? Exterior angles. Okay, that we have to find out. This is nothing but number of sides. Okay, is equal to, how it is, how you people are, see for example, let me take one polygon here. How many sides are there? Exterior means like this. See how all of you observe here. Exterior angles. This is exterior angle, exterior angle, exterior angle, exterior angle. Okay. How many angles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And even side, see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Number of angles is equal to number of sides. So therefore we can write number of exterior angles is nothing but what? Number of sides is equal to what is that they have given? Each exterior angle measures how much? 45 degree. Then find out number of sides. So we know that sum of exterior angles, correct? Exterior angles divided by sum of exterior angles divided by each exterior angle, correct? Each exterior angle. Okay children, now this one, sum of exterior angles is equal to how much? 360 degree. Yes or no? Divided by each exterior angle, how much they have given here? 45 degree. Divided by 45. Okay. Now let us find out how many angles we'll get here. Here 45 and 360. Let us take a 5 table. 5 9s are 45. 5 7s are 35. 1 remains. 5 2s are 10. Again this from 9 we can divide. Yes or no? From 9 1s are. This is 9 8s are. It's nothing but how much you get here? 8. Okay children? So this 8 is what? Number of angles, exterior angles, as well as number of sides. Therefore, number of sides is how much? 8. This is what the answer for example 2. Exercise 4.2, page 56, find x. Find x. We have in this two problems here. Okay, one is triangle. Okay, polygon, 3-sided polygon, and another one is 5-sided polygon. Okay, so here you should take this as a homework. Okay children. See, this is 3-sided polygon. We have studied now itself the sum of exterior angle of polygon is what? How much is 360 degree. So use that concept. X plus 125 plus 125 is equal to how much? 360 degree. Then find out what is x. Okay. Now this is what? Pentagon. Okay. That is 5-sided polygon. Okay. Here also we have to find out. They have asked us to find out the x. And here they have given like this. What this represents? This is nothing but what? 90 degree. This is 60 degree. This is also 90 degree. And this is 70 degree. So here x plus 90. Can we write? X plus 90 plus 60 plus again this is 90 degree plus this is 70 degree is equal to how much is this? 360 degree. Okay. Now x plus 90 plus 60 is 150. 150 plus 90 is 150 plus 90. 150 150. Okay, let us add these two. 1, 9 plus 7 is 16, that is 160, 0, 1, 1, 3. Okay, 310. 310 is equal to 360 degree. Now, x is equal to 360. 360. What happens to this? Plus 310 can take outside, that is minus 310 degree. Okay, that is x is equal to, that is nothing but how much here? 360 minus 310 is nothing but 50 degree. So that is x is equal to here, where it is here, x is equal to how much? 50 degree. Now, second question. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides, 15 sides. Okay, in the exam we studied, in the example we studied that that is number of exterior angles is equal to, yes or no? So the same concept we can use here. They have given here 9 means sides, and we have to find out each exterior angle. So each exterior angle is equal to, each exterior angle is equal to sum of exterior angles divided by number of sides or number of angles also we can write. I have told number of sides. Polygon has both number of sides. So each exterior angle is equal to sum of exterior angles divided by number of sides. Number of sides, you can write here number of angles also. Okay. So here sum of exterior angles is how much? Sum of exterior angle 360 divided by number of sides. Okay. So children, please take any one, this one as homework. So I am giving this h, that is 15 sides as homework. So sum of exterior angles divided by number of sides, so 360 divided by how much? Number of sides 9. First one I am taking. Okay, 9 ones are 9, 4s are, okay, 4s are 0, that is 40 degree. Okay, now each exterior angle is how much? 40 degree. Okay, now let us see third problem. Exercise 4, in exercise 4.2, third problem. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? How many sides? That is number of sides. Okay, already I have explained in a worked example. Let us see how many sides is nothing but the number of exterior. Each exterior angle is equal to sum of, I will write short form, exterior angle divided by what we can write here? If the measure of an exterior angle is, okay, each exterior angle, number of exterior, okay, number of exterior angles, it is number of exterior angles is equal to sum of exterior angles divided by each exterior angle, okay. Now that is equal to 360 divided by how much? 24. Okay, 24 degree. Now let us take which table it is. 24 and 36. Which table? Take 6. 6 4s are 24. 6 6 are 36. And again 4 1s are 4 1s are 4 5s are. That is 4 5s are 20. Correct. 4 1s are 4. 2 remains here, 20, 4 5s are. So that is 15. Okay, 15. The number of exterior angles, how many? 15. Number of exterior angles is equal to number of sides. Therefore, number of sides of a polygon is equal to how many? 15. Okay. So this is what? Third problem. So in exercise 4.2, page 56, fourth question, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree? Okay. So the measure of each interior angle is equal to n minus 2 into 180 divided by n. See children, this is formula. Okay, this is the formula. The measure of each interior angle is equal to n minus 2 into 180 divided by n. This is what in case of polygon. Okay, this is a formula and this is a formula. Okay, so then next is here they have given the measure of each interior angle is equal to 165. Okay, is equal to n minus 2 into 180 divided by n. Okay, so this we have to simplify. Okay, how to simplify this one? Let us see now. How to simplify this? Cross multiply. The cross multiply, what do you get here? 165 degree n is equal to n into 180 is 180 n minus 2 into 180 is nothing but 360 degree. Okay, now just observe here 180 n minus 165 is equal to 360 degree. Okay, now 165 n. Now subtract how much you get. 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 6 is 1. Okay, n is equal to 360 degree. N is equal to 360 divided by 15. So n is equal to how much you get here? 5 3s are 5 7s are 35, 5 2s. Okay, again further from 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 3 4s are 12. So n is equal to 24. Okay, so 24. So here how many sides? That is nothing but number of sides is 24. This is what the answer. Fifth question. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? Okay, so what is this? Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? Each exterior angle is that 22 degree that we have to find out. You know that number of exterior angles or number of sides is equal to 360 divided by 22 degree. If we simplify this, how much we'll get? Let us see. 2 11s are 2 1s are 2 8s are 16 0. Again this one 11 1s are 11 1s are 11 70, 11 6 are 66. Okay, then 4 11 11 3s are 33, 4 40, then 33 7, again 11 6 are. So approximately you will get 16.36. Okay, number of exterior angles 16.36. Is that possible? No, it is not possible. Always the interior angles, number of interior angles or number of sides, always you will get as numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay, so this decimals, we got here decimal, so therefore it is not possible. Okay, therefore it is not possible to have regular polygon. Okay children, this is fifth A question. Now fifth, fifth B, can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? So here we studied about the exterior angles. Okay, is it possible to have a regular polygon with the measure of each exterior angle? So 360 by 22. So we got possible. It is not possible. Okay. Now can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? Interior angle, know that interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180. How children? How it is? See here. Just observe here. In this, this is exterior angle, this is exterior, this is exterior. Interior angle, this. Okay children? Now, this is exterior angle plus interior angle, or interior angle plus exterior angle. The sum of these two is equal to 180. Why 180? See here, this is a line. Okay, this is a line and this is a... So, this line makes these two angles like this. Okay. So what type of angles? We can say linear pair. Okay. So because of linear pair, the sum of these two is equal to how much? 180 degree. So therefore we can write interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to how much? 180 degree. Now interior angle is equal to 180 minus exterior angle they have given. Okay. How much is that exterior angle they have given? 22 degree. Okay, so 180 minus 22 degree is equal to how much you get? 158. Now, number of interior angles is equal to 360 divided by 158. Now, if we simplify this, so please all of you do divide 1 from 158 to 360 children. So, you will get, if you divide, you will get exactly 2.27 n. Number of interior angles is nothing but n. We have taken here 2.27. Is that true? N always like numbers, is it not? Like whole numbers are natural numbers. Therefore, 158 is not possible. Okay. See here, can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? No, it is not an interior angle of a regular polygon, since it is a decimal number. Okay children. Now let us go to the sixth question. A. What is the minimum interior angle possible for regular polygon Y? And next question is, what is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? So minimum interior angle possible and maximum exterior angle possible. We all know, okay, the interior angles of a triangle. How much children? 180 degree. Okay, so now 180, if all the sides are equal, what we call for that? We call that as equilateral triangle. Okay, in equilateral triangle, each angle measures 180. Each angle measures how much? 60 degree. Okay children. Now, so this is what the answer. The minimum interior angle possible is 60 degree. How it is? See, I have given the solution in classwork. Okay children. So please refer classwork. Okay. I am not writing complete answer here. So please see that answer. Just I will say, see here, equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle is equal to equilateral is equal to 180 divided by 3 is equal to, see here why I have taken 180, since I am answering for A. Okay children, answering for A, minimum interior angle. That is why the interior angle, the sum of angles of a interior angle are 180. So 180 by 3 is equal to how much? 60 degree. Okay. So that means what is the answer for A? Minimum interior angle possible is 60 degree. Okay. Now let us see B. What is maximum exterior angle possible? Maximum exterior angle possible. See, for example, in an equilateral triangle, the exterior angles, sum of exterior angles is equal to how much children? See, 360 degree. Again, this is B. Okay. 360 divided by how many sides? 3. Okay. Now that is 3 1s are, 3 2s are 0. So, the maximum exterior angle possible is 120 degree. The minimum interior angle possible is 60 degree. This is what the answer for 6th one. Hope you all understood children. Thank you.